the back of the car is jacked up here. We have this up. I have 4 stands under it just to be extra careful. Look how rusty she is. Lovely bit of rust, lighten that weight. But yeah, so I have the 4-jack stand under it, and we're going to weld the diff because the diff is open or the LSD is broken, so we're just figuring that out. So yeah. What's up guys, so quick update on what's happening with the MX-5. So just watched a video on TJ Hunt's YouTube channel, and it seems that the diff has to come off, unfortunately, to be welded. So you can see here, don't know if you can see it so well. I can try and stick something on screen. So the diff has to be cracked in half, meaning that it has to come off the car first and then be cracked in half before we can actually weld the car. Hopefully I don't do all this work and it's an LSD. Well, regardless if it is an LSD, it'll have to come off. Yeah. Oh well, we'll see what we can do. Okay, so I have 2 of the bolts off. Look how fucking rusty this shit is. It's making shit a lot harder for me. So I just stopped there for a minute just to have a bit of food, and I'm just looking at my car, how far it has come since the first day I've owned it. Now, I didn't have the channel at the time when I got the car. This car was kind of the beginning of the channel. But I'm going to show you on screen now the first day that the car came, when it got delivered to me by its previous owner. But the difference is mega. Yeah, so just let me know in the comment section below, what do you prefer, the white roof or the black roof? Or when I first got it, or its state now. I think overall it's pretty sick. I'm not even sure if I'm going to keep it this color. We'll see how we get on. We might be looking into some paint jobs in the future. So make sure to hit subscribe so you can stay up to date and maybe check out when we paint the car. Stay with us, guys. So we have taken them 2 bolts out there. They were really long ones. We didn't take the wheels off to take the drive shaft out. They're just out. We just pulled them out and pried them really easily. And now we're working on the upper bolts up there. Keeping it easy.
All you need is a ratchet set and a hammer.
And what were the size bolts, do you remember?
It doesn't matter because they didn't fit, we just hammered them on anyway.
I think it was a 17 and a 19, wasn't it? No, 17 the whole way.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just hammered them on. There's the hammer there, he's not messing. Okay, so this is the setup we have at the moment. So my dad, Trevor, is now helping with removing the drive shaft bolts.
Okay.
Right? And what I do, we get into position.
Just make sure your foot's on the end of it, so it slips enough and we'll take the claw off you.
Right?
Down properly down here.
So the old kickboxing lessons came in handy, isn't that right, Trevor?
They came in, that's for sure. You can have all the hammers in the world. All you need is the hammer. Fist, I was going to say. Hammer leg. Roundhouse kick the fucking thing off it.
Oh, God. So a quick update on where we are now. We do have the diff out and we're starting to crack on. We have opened the drain and the fill plugs, so we're going to drain it out into this ball here, and then once we have that done, we're going to get cracking on the opposite side. Alright, you fucking frosty, innit?
Okay, look. Don't even pop.
Actually, it's freezing.
So grab that side. Like that. That's it. So you get that bolted. Hang on it, hang on it. We have a willy there. There he goes. Jesus Christ. Black! Fucking tree, look at it coming out.
I'll show you guys just for context how black this is.
How fucking thick it is.
And thick. And thick. Hold on, we'll turn the light on.
Treacly.
Dirty. Dirty.
Never mind, that's bad.
Okay, as I said before, we have the diff off the car. We have Lucas here. Lucas in the house.
Yo!
And we are just trying to crack it open. It seems to be welded shut with a load of rust, so.
It's very strangely, you know. There's more to it, you know. I don't know what's wrong. It's just not coming off. I'd say probably because that thing was never opened before. It's an original diff. Like, you know, it's put into those cars, you know, so that's why it's so awkward. So we asked all this car.
1997.
1997. What's that? 27? 24 years?
24.
24.
23, 24.
That's crazy. So yeah, anyway, we are gonna open it, but we just have to find a way to do it.
Typical.
Right, bit of water. Yeah. Oh, that as well.
It's strong. How far is strong?
Yeah. It's not to get much of it.
Because we'll have to light it again.
Yeah.
Right!
Did you jump there, Lucas? Yeah, fucking. Right, I did.
I thought there was one in there.
Thanks for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoy it, make sure to go down and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. We'll see you on the next one.